Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Render. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that after the breakdown from an up channel, Render formed another descending triangle. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, and this was the breakdown from this up channel, you can see that first we broke out the channel here. And by the way, we are watching on the 4 hour time frame chart. And the target for the breakout from this channel was here, approximately at 11.61 cents, $11.61. And you can see that the price has moved slightly beyond that target up to $11.90, but found another downtrend line resistance and got rejected, broke down the same channel that was broken out. And now if you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then now we have a very clear formation of a descending triangle. You can see that we had a bounce here from the support, then we had rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, and now recently the price end is once again bounce from the support of this triangle, and now it can hit the resistance of the triangle somewhere here, possibly at $7.80. By the way, slightly higher than this resistance, we have this long-term resistance of $8 as well. That was recently working as a resistance here, and for several days it has been working as support here and resistance here as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this recent breakout from this quite long-term down channel as well. And we will also once again take a look at this very massive rally that was begun here after the breakout from this previous down channel on the 7 days time frame chart. By the way, I have been showing you this channel even before the breakout, and I was telling you that after the breakout, the target will be here at the top of the channel, somewhere between $8 to $10, and you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target. And from this low of June 2022 up till this high, it was almost 4,950%, almost 5,000%, very massive rally. And we will once again take a look at this massive rally as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared on 22nd of November 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverses cipher pattern that render formed on a 4 hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target. And this was almost 70% pump only on this 4 hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart. And here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we broke out this long-term down channel in the month of October 2022. But after the breakout, when we had this almost 5,000% rally, the price then found a very strong resistance on here from $12.50 to $13.85 and got stuck inside in another down channel. And from the month of Feb 2024 up till the month of November 2024, in the first week of November 2024, we broke out the resistance of the channel. We had a nice short pump, but the price then got stuck inside in another triangle. By the way, recently we have also broken down this up channel as well and almost got rejected once again by this resistance zone from $12.50 to $13.85. Now, the movement is quite squeezed inside this triangle. Therefore, at any time, we can expect that it can break this pattern. For example, if the price then breaks down the support, then target will be here. That will be at this long-term support zone that is from $3.40 to $2.95. And if we zoom it out, then you can see that previously it had been working as a support zone here, resistance on here, and support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of render. And in case of breaking out, we can expect a very massive pump to the upside, and that target will be slightly higher than this resistance on from $12.50 to $13.85. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this recent down channel is also here at the top of the channel at $13.85 as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.